In this book, I present a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of sales. From the very beginning, you will be introduced to the holistic approach that is essential for closing deals and building strong relationships with customers. With the focus on understanding the sales process, you'll gain valuable insights into each stage, from finding the right prospects to conducting effective sales meetings. I emphasize the importance of building rapport and trust with prospects, as well as the power of active listening and asking the right questions. I guide you through handling objections gracefully and identifying the pain points of your prospects, skills that will set you apart from all other salespeople. You'll learn the importance of understanding your product or service inside out, crafting compelling value propositions, and presenting solutions that meet the needs of your prospects. All these are based on my experience as a salesperson, sales representative, working in different departments, both in bigger organizations and small businesses. I also delve into overcoming common sales challenges which I faced in the past and how I found the solutions for them, building and motivating a strong sales team and measuring sales performance. I explore the significance of sales and marketing alignment, effective communication between teams, and the use of sales automation tools and techniques. Moreover, I provide valuable insights into building strong relationships with customers, understanding their needs and preferences, and delivering excellent customer service. You'll discover strategies for customer retention, referral marketing, and the importance of networking in sales. Throughout the book, I emphasize the importance of sales ethics, maintaining a positive attitude, continuous learning, and achieving a healthy work-life balance.